Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at the steps to use the camera on your Android phone as a wireless webcam on Windows 11. For this process, it is required to install the link to Windows app on your Android phone and connect that app with the same Microsoft account that you use on Windows 11. Okay, let's dive into the steps. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. First, to make things a little bit easier, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and then do a search for link to Windows. Then select the top result and tap on Install. Then tap on Open and then just sign in with your Microsoft account. Then just follow the on-screen directions, allowing pretty much all the permissions that the application requests. However, if you get this prompt to allow the app to run in the background, it is best to choose the denied option. Otherwise, if you have this app running all the time on your phone, it will drain your battery a lot faster. Now, once you have the link to Windows app set up on your phone, then on your computer, do this. Start and look for settings. Then go to Bluetooth and devices. Then click on mobile devices. In here, make sure to turn on the allow this PC to access my mobile devices. Then click on manage devices. If this is your first time opening this interface, your screen might look a little different because I already have devices connected with this feature, and unfortunately there is not an option to remove the phone after you connect it to this particular feature. You can disable it, but there is not an option to remove it from your computer. However, you will have the option to add a new device. Then click that and then use the camera on your phone and scan the QR code. And that's exactly what I'm going to do now on my phone. Now, since you already installed the link to Windows app, this link is actually going to load the app on your phone. And then just follow the on-screen directions on your phone. Now, I'm just going to enable my device. And then you should be able to see this option right here, use as connected camera, and make sure to turn that on. You can close this page, and then we're going to open Bluetooth and devices one more time. And from here, we're going to go to cameras. And now you're going to see your phone listed as a camera on Windows 11. So we need to click that. And now the camera is going to initialize on your phone. You may have to allow permission on your phone. And as you can see, now the camera is working. You're going to get this interface that allows you to change from the front camera to the back camera. You can pause video, and depending on the features available on your computer, you will be able to change some effects. So this interface that you see right here, that's the same one that it should appear on the screen on your phone. From the camera settings page, that's a way to test that the camera is working. However, you can now select this camera from any application that you use, such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, or any other app on your computer that requires access to the camera. You can also test this feature using the camera app built in on Windows 11. And to do that, open Start and look for the camera app. And if you don't have another camera connected to the computer, the default will be the one from your phone. So I'm going to unlock my device, and now I'm going to give it permission. And now, as you can see, the camera is working. Things to consider is that if the camera isn't working on your computer, you can access the page for the camera and make sure to use the troubleshoot option to try to fix common problems. Now, if you already have a webcam connected to your computer, try to disconnect it and test the mobile phone camera. Also, this feature works on Android phones and tablets running version 9 or a higher release of the mobile operating system. Also, you may have to check the permissions on your phone to make sure that they allow access to the camera. That's how you connect the camera on your Android phone to Windows 11 to use it as a wireless webcam on your computer. Let me know in the comments what you think about this feature. Like it, like the video, share it, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.